Good morning, everybody. This is another day on Terceira Island. I'm taking a quick little video of the secret Vostok. Had to pause there. Secret Vostok Amphibia Bezel manufacturing facility. That's the building, and that's a main road. That's a ruins, but there's a guy comes here every day, and he has about 50 goats or 40 goats back there. That's Maria, my neighbor. And here's the palm tree. Big palm tree. And it's not complete without another Vostok watch. Yes. This is the Scuba Dude. The video doesn't do it justice. This is an absolutely beautiful looking watch. I might not make a bezel for this one, but I'm going to be using... I'll make a bezel for this one too. Maybe a smaller, a thinner one, but it has the solid end links, solid bracelet, not pressed, clasped, or anything, and 200 meters of water resistance. And you can really swim with these watches. It's not like those pretenders. You could really swim, and a lot of people do. They don't have the ISO rating, but who cares if they have the ISO rating? Everybody knows the Vostoks are great for swimming, diving. Some people get crazy with the bezels, but Russian people don't think like the rest of the world. They're not going to touch the bezel. It's not going to be slipping. They're going to set it and leave it. They don't need to have a unidirectional bezel. And if they want it tighter, they make it tighter. Not like these desk divers that are all stressing over their bezels. Oh, it's got to be unidirectional. Oh, yes. We need it in the office. And in the last 2 years, their office has been running around the house with their underwear. Anyway, good morning. God bless. And we'll be coming out with other videos with more information on the new designs, and maybe a couple of watch videos to anger the watch collector community. I might come out with one talking about all their crazy sayings like Grail. Let's turn the camera around. To hell, turn the camera around. One guy says it, now they all say it. It's like they all watch each other's videos, and that's all they know how to do. Anyway, good morning, everybody. This is Terceira. No cows today. You could hear a goat in the background. Lots of birds. God bless.